Hey guys, Tyler with MarineMax. Today we're on this Harris 230 Solstice. It is a saltwater edition. It's powered by a Mercury 250 V8. You've got a nice lily pad ladder as well as a swim platform on the port side. You've got nice fender storage, port and starboard, with little safety chains to keep little ones from going onto the area that they're not supposed to be while the boat's underway. You've got a nice flip back lounger. You can put this anyway, the back cushions can raise up, there's storage underneath. Super versatile and lots of fun for when you're out at the sandbar. You got twin captain's chairs on this boat. This boat does have the Mercury digital throttle and shift. You've got a nice 9-inch SIMRAD display with C-zone switching. You have two physical displays for redundancy's sake, as well as a JL audio head unit. So you can see up on the front, you've got a nice dual lounger bow seating area. You've got a forward bimini that you can open up to make the whole boat shaded. You do have armrests that come down so you can sit and lounge with cup holders and your JL audio system. Underneath in the middle sponson, you've got great storage for fenders, skis, or anything like that you don't mind getting wet, but you want to keep out of the way and off the deck. If you're looking for a Harris pontoon or something similar, please feel free to give me a call. Thank you.